Shift registers. A register is a digital circuit with two basic functions, data storage and data movement. A shift register provides the data movement function. A shift register shifts its output once every clock cycle. A shift register is a group of flip-flops set up in a linear fashion with their inputs and outputs connected together in such a way that the data is shifted from one device to another when the circuit is active. Applications: converting between serial data and parallel data, temporary storage in a processor like scratchpad memories, some arithmetic operations like multiplication and division, and communications UART, universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter. Some counter applications like ring counter and Johnson counter, linear feedback shift register counters, time delay devices, and many more. Shift register characteristics. Types: serial in, serial out, serial in, parallel in, serial out, parallel in, parallel out, and universal shift registers. The shifting can also be direction dependent, like left shift, right shift. The data can be rotated either towards the left or towards left and both the directions. The bits in a shift register can move in any one of the following manners. First one, serial in shift register and serial out. So the first one is serial input and serial output shift register. Second is, of course, this is towards the right. Second is serial in, serial out. Now the data input is from the left and output is from the data input is from the right and the output is from the left. Here the data is entered parallelly and then retrieved serially. Here, so this is parallel input, serial output. Here we have a series input register and wherein the data can be retrieved in parallel. The last one, data is entered in parallel and taken out parallelly. And here, right rotation, the data can be rotated from the one flip-flop to the other in the right. So this is right rotation. Data can be rotated around the flip-flops from right side. Similarly, data can be rotated from one in the shift register from the left side. The block diagrams for shift registers with various input and output options. The first one is parallel input and serial output. Second is parallel input, parallel output. Third is serial in, parallel out. Here we have serial in, serial out. And preset control, shift, pulse and clear. These are all asynchronous counters. Are all asynchronous controls. Serial in and serial out. Data bits come in one at a time and leave one at a time. One flip-flop for each bit to be handled. Movement can be left or right, but is usually only in a single direction in a given register. A synchronous preset, asynchronous preset and clear inputs are used to set the initial values. Serial in and serial out. The logic circuit diagram below shows a generalized serial in, serial out shift register. SR flip-flops are shown, connected to behave as D flip-flops. Input values move to outputs of each flip-flop with a clock shift pulse. The simplest shift register is one that uses only flip-flops. The output of a given flip-flop is connected to the D input of the flip-flop at its right. Each clock pulse shifts the contents of the register one bit position to the right. The serial input determines what goes into the leftmost flip-flop during the shift. The serial output is taken from the output of the rightmost flip-flop. Serial in and serial out. A simple way of looking at the serial shifting operation with a focus on the data bits is illustrated on the right side. The 4-bit data word 1011 is to be shifted into a 4-bit shift register. One shift occurs for every clock pulse. Data is shown entering at left and shifting to the right. Serial in, serial out. The diagram at right shows the 4-bit sequence 1010 being loaded into the 4-bit serial in, serial out shift register. Each bit moves one position to the right each time the clock's leading edge occurs. 4 clock pulses loads the register. This diagram shows the 4-bit sequence 1010 as it is unloaded from the 4-bit serial in, serial out shift register. Each bit moves one position to the right during the clock's leading edge occurs. 4 clock pulses unloads the register. Serial in, serial out. Shift registers are often used for data communications such as RS-232, modem transmission and reception, Ethernet links, SONET, etc. Serial to parallel conversion. We often need to convert a serial to parallel from serial to parallel. Example, after receiving a series transmission, the diagrams at the right illustrate a 4-bit serial in, parallel shift registers. Note that we could also use the Q of the rightmost flip-flop as a serial output. Serial to parallel conversion. We would use a serial in, parallel out shift register of arbitrary length n to convert an n-bit word from a serial to parallel. It would require n clock pulses to load and 1 clock pulse to unload. Serial to parallel conversion. These 2 shift registers are used to convert serial data to parallel data. The upper shift register would grab the data once it is shifted into the lower register. We use a parallel in, serial out shift register. The data is applied in parallel form to the parallel inputs PA to PD of the register. It is then read out sequentially from one register, 1 bit at a time, from PA to PD on each clock cycle in a serial format. 1 clock pulse to load, 4 clock pulses to unload. Parallel to serial conversion logic circuit for a parallel in, serial out register, shift register. Here the clock is applied to all the flip-flops and the data is available at the inputs will be shifted onto the output, that is parallel in and parallel out at 1 clock pulse. Now the data, once it is shifted are loaded into the flip-flop, this data can be moved in a serial fashion. So here, when the serial input data can be fed from the serial input, when the load is here, we have the load and shift control. When the load and shift control is 1, data can be entered parallelly into the shift registers. Whereas when the load shift control is 0, here at the output of this buffer is 1. So here upper AND gates are enabled and the data can be entered serially. So this is a universal shift register which can perform almost all the operations, that is parallel in, parallel out, okay, parallel in, serial out, etc. Parallel in, parallel out. So the data can be entered parallelly and then it can be shifted out parallelly. The registers parallel in, parallel out shift registers can serve as a temporary storage device for or as a time delay device. The data is presented in a parallel format to the parallel input pins PA to PD and then shifted to the corresponding outputs QA to QD when the registers are clocked. One clock pulse to load and one clock pulse to unload. Thank you. Any suggestions are welcome. Please give your feedback. For any difficulties, contact me.